Hello, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So today I want to show you how we make fish, tilapia, how we cook tilapia back in Kenya. And that's what I'm going to make for my Christmas dinner, and I hope you will enjoy. These are the recipe. So I'm going to cook fish today, fish and ugali. It's called ugali in Kenya. Fish, this is tilapia, fresh tilapia. So here we have garlic, we have sweet pepper, we have onion, we have tomato, we have mixed herbs, we have coriander, fresh coriander, we have kales, we have salt, and I'm going to deep fry the fish. Then I will make the stew afterwards. Hope you will have. I'll show you the process. After 10 minutes, my fish is ready. As you can see, it's brown, golden brown. It has turned golden brown, and that's what I wanted. Next process is gonna come up. Next, add fish, coriander. Just a little. So this is ready to serve. So delicious. So finally I want to prepare ugali. So my water is ready. This is the maize flour. My ugali is ready. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed my food. You have enjoyed my tilapia and ugali, and see you in my next vlog. I will cook a different food. Thank you so much. Please like my video and give your comment. The food that you want me to cook. If it's from your country, maybe just let me know. Thank you so much. See you.